Hey cookie creators and lovers alike, I'm Gabby. When it comes to decorating cookies, there are lots of things that can give you anxiety. Mixing the perfect icing consistency, flooding with no bubbles, piping that perfectly straight line. However, today we're going to address the even bigger elephant in the room, writing on sugar cookies. Today on the Cool Cookie Show, we're looking at several different techniques of writing on sugar cookies. In preparation for this video, I went ahead and flooded 4 different cookies in shades of green. Before we start writing on the cookies, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to get the word on the cookie without using a projector. For our first cookie, I'm going to go with 1 letter in a Droid Serif font. I've printed and cut out the letter. Now I'll trace it using a food coloring marker. Now we have an outline for our icing. For our second cookie, I'm going to write love in a Ballet harmony font using a copy of its reversed image. With your reversed word, cover it with parchment paper and use a good food coloring marker to trace the image. I'll include a detailed list of all the tools I've used, as well as the font styles, in the details below. Once you've traced your word, flip the parchment paper and center the word on your cookie. With the same food coloring marker, trace over the word again. Once done, lift to reveal your guidelines. For our piece cookie, I've selected a very straight font, Mountain Valley 1.2, which lends itself well to scribing the word onto the cookie. With our font frontward facing, we'll cover it with parchment paper and trace it with a food coloring marker. Once done, center the word on the cookie and with a sharp tool, go over the word with some pressure. Not too hard though, you don't want to risk breaking the cookie. Once done, we lift the parchment paper to find piece finely edged into the icing. For our last cookie, I'm going to use a projector and a food coloring marker to write on our lemon cookie medium font. All the fonts I've used can be found at fontspace.com. For the font, I'm using soft piping consistency icing that's just a touch more stiff than usual, along with a number 1 Wilton tip. With my letter D, I'm going to outline it first and then fill it in. This works best with a thick or bold font. Since the soft icing is still a bit thick, you'll want to use your scribe tool to help bring everything together. This darling delight is all done. For our love word, it's more of a soft script and will need to work in a flowing motion. While piping, keep a consistent and fluid movement to prevent icing from pooling and the font from looking bumpy. And touch up quickly before things start to set. For details on the 3 types of icing consistency I work with, click the link in the details below or at the top of this video. This lovely is all done. For my piece cookie, I'm going to pipe in the same color as the food coloring marker. Practice with a steady hand and straight lines will do you well for this font. This peaceful piece is all done. Do you have any no projector hacks that work for you? Or perhaps you'd like to see more videos about writing with Royal Icing. There are a lot more fonts where those came from. Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe as well as the bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. In the meantime, here are some other videos you may enjoy. Thanks so much for watching the Cool Cookie Show. Till next time, stay sweet.